Hey folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef. We're going to be putting together a great dish from New Orleans, and that is for gumbo. I love gumbo. My family loves my gumbo recipe, and I hope that your family likes it too. So without any further ado, let's get this video rolling, and we'll step right into my kitchen and see if we can put this delicious, traditional gumbo recipe from the big... Okay, we start out in a stock pot with 5 cups of boiling water and throw in 16 ounces of boneless chicken thighs. Then, the Holy Trinity. You got your celery there, your onions, you got 5 cloves of garlic that I'm chopping up here. We're going to put this all together and try to make this as authentic as possible. Oh yeah, great chopping skills there, Ball Chef. Probably ought to work on that, but there it is, the Holy Trinity. You got your celery, your onions, your green bell peppers. It's everything you need. Thumbs up, we're gonna roll. Now we got our andouille sausage. This is a spicy sausage, comes straight out of the Big Easy right down in New Orleans. We're going to be using for this for the recipe, so it's basically chicken andouille gumbo. That's what it is. So we chop that up, make sure everything's, got a nice little chop on it. We're going to put that in to our gumbo here very soon. I'm going to take a little taster's delight. This stuff's fully cooked already, so it's not like I'm eating raw pork. Don't tell anybody. So, but yeah. Yeah, I like it. All right, now the roux, the quintessential part of making great roux. We're going to use vegetable oil. Some people use butter. 4 tablespoons, straight out of the cupboard. And then we're going to put in about a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And what we're going to do is we're going to stir this around slowly but surely. Don't let that splatter on you. It's just like napalm. It'll stick to you and burn you badly. But at any rate, we've started getting a little bit of color to our roux. We got to keep going. We're going to bring this down to a milk chocolate roux. That's what gives that distinctive nutty flavor. It's going to look like milk chocolate to dark chocolate, just depending on how this comes out. I'm not sure which way we're going, but I'm trying my best. Just trying to keep this from burning, trying to keep it from doing anything other than just getting that roux down. Look at that. Now we've got a final product there. That's the real deal. That's a milk chocolate, almost dark chocolate. Now what we're going to do is reserve some of the chicken stock. When we earlier cooked the chicken thighs, we're going to put that in there, start stirring that around, and that's a thickening agent. That's what's going to give this roux some body, and this gumbo some body, and I think we just about got it. So now we're going to go to our next step, take our cooked chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, break them up with our hands, and put those into the pot. I like chicken thighs. I like the darker meat. You can use chicken breasts if you want. They just don't taste as good. But you don't want to overcook your chicken either. That's very important. One nice pieces that I've just chopped up with my hands. Looking good. Now we're putting in all our veggies. Garlic, the Holy Trinity, celery, onion, green pepper. Okay, throw in another cup of water, and we're off to the races. What are we doing next? We're putting in a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. It's got to be spicy. Now, you can adjust that for your family's liking, but I like my food on the spicy side. All right, let's stir this stuff around. There's kind of what it looks like right now. But we're going to get ready to go to the next step and doll this up some even more. Okra, a thickening agent. You know, gumbo is an eclectic recipe from Africa, French cuisine, and just Cajun cuisine. It's crazy, but we're gonna put some Cajun seasoning in there, some salt there for you, and then the most important thing is filet. It comes from the sassafras tree. This is what the Indians used. I'm talking about American Indians to thicken their stews, and we're gonna put a healthy 2 tablespoons of filet in there, and then we're gonna go with 1 tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. That will complement this gumbo to where we want it. And there it is, cooking off nicely, getting ready to serve this thing up on a bed of rice, and we're going to make some magic here, folks. I guarantee you, this is the real deal, right out of the Crescent City. All right, folks, this is Glenn the Ball Chef. We're back. Oh my God, this is straight out of the Big Easy, folks. Laissez, temps, rouler. Let the good times roll, baby. And we're getting ready to roll right now. We're gonna fire this mean dish. Let the good times roll, baby, just like you do down in the Big Easy, man. Got a little bit of that andouille sausage, chicken. Nice little gravy. Hey folks, if you're really looking to do something special for your family, give this recipe a try. I will assure you it will outperform many of the other recipes on YouTube. This is pretty much what you get down in New Orleans, straight up. No tomatoes. This is pure Cajun cooking. Subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Appreciate all my new subscribers. Give us a like. If you don't like it, tell me why you don't like it. I can take corrective criticism. But let's work together as a family and work towards our goals. I want to thank you for stopping by my home. And as always, bon appetit.